Students ask me, why should we take a course on gynec ultrasound? We can learn it from textbooks. But my answer to this is, to be a good gynecologist, you should make a good diagnosis. To make a good diagnosis, you should have understood your anatomy perfectly. And what does ultrasound teach you? Ultrasound imaging teaches you to be a good anatomist. Not only do you understand the anatomy properly, you can actually make a perfect diagnosis. Like, for example, in this case, we know that it is always difficult to make a diagnosis of septate from a bicornuate. Now look at this. This is a picture that was retrieved from a 3D ultrasound imaging. Now you can understand, here is the uterus, this is one cornu, here is the other cornu, and there is a large septum extending from here down just before the internal os. And this is a muscular septum. So how did ultrasound help me in this particular case? It helped me to understand that this is not a bicornuate, this is a septate uterus. It taught me that the component of this septum is muscular. It taught me the width of the septum, the depth of the septum. So management in treatment becomes easy when I'm doing a septal resection. So in other words, imaging not only you understand the anatomy of the pelvis, you understand that it is a roadmap to a pathology that is existent. You understand the different types of pathologies that are coexistent. It also gives an opportunity to the patient and the husband, probably even the relatives, to understand what exactly you are planning. And this gives complete patient satisfaction. In other words, enhancing your ultrasound skill has several advantages. You understand the anatomy. You understand the roadmap to proceeding for a surgical procedure. You understand the problems that you may encounter. You understand the coexisting pathologies which exist in gynecology. For example, in this case was associated with endometriosis. So you know exactly the level of surgery that you are going to plan. In addition, your patient also understands what you are doing, and this helps in better patient interaction and management. So why would you not want to transit from 2D ultrasound to 3D ultrasound in the right way, doing the right thing at the right time? And we are here to share our experiences with you, and I do hope that I would see you at the meeting.